Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Chad, and today this is going to be a really short video. I've just discovered some new features on Canva, and the first one is the shadow app, and it allows you to apply shadows so you can take a 2D image and give it a 3D effect to help it stand out in your design. So say for example we have this butterfly here, and you just go to edit, and down here you'll be able to see shadows. So if you don't see it up here, it should be somewhere here. Got glow, there's drop. It's pretty cool, really. I like this app or feature that they have right now. Then you just hit apply, and there you have it. You have a shadow effect on your image. And the second one would be the frame app, and it allows you to apply frames to any image to decorate the edges with simple or creative borders. So once you've selected your image, just go down, and we have frames here. Let's check what they have. They've got laptop, there's laptop white, there's also phone, Polaroid, there's neon frames, the glitter frames. There's also film and paint corners or paint strokes. They also have gold circle leaves here. There's gold square and some other things or some other frames. So yeah, there you have it, and you can resize it to however big or small you want, and just click apply, and that's it. This can also be applied to photos. As long as you have a transparent background, then that'll be fine. So let's see. Let's just try mine. Okay, if I have this, say for example I want to put it there, and I want to have a little bit of shadow in that. So I go to shadows. I'll just click any of this, or maybe this curved or angled backdrop. There's glow, drop would be nice. Then there you have it. You can also put frames on this. So if I click on this one and edit frames, and I can choose which one I want, or maybe this. So however I like it, it's up to you. So just play around with this one. It's really cool. And I think that's it for now. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.